All right, guys, I'm here with LJ from Rada Supply. And what kit do we have here, LJ?
This is a Big Ripper drop shadow kit with an outline on the fork stickers, black inside, chrome outline.
Something simple. We didn't want to go too crazy. We were going to do chrome with the black outline, but we decided to invert it.
Yeah, it's like an inverted look from the factory look. So instead of it having chrome letters, it has black letters.
So if you guys saw a few videos ago, I've been working on this 2019 SE Big Ripper and pretty much been doing a little bit of a restoration build on this thing. It sat for a few years, so I went upon myself just to do a little bit of a restoration build, and the audio decided to cut out. But pretty much what I'm doing is removing the back wheel so that I can install a new freewheel on the bike. All right, guys, so here we got a 15-tooth freewheel from Rada Supply. You're gonna need to go to Park Tool or Amazon and get you a FR8 freewheel remover from Park Tool. Like, this is pretty much what you're gonna need to remove the 15-tooth freewheels off of bikes. Now, if you have a 16-tooth freewheel, you're gonna need to use the FR6 to remove your 16-tooth. Once you break the freewheel loose, you'll twist right off. And just like that, the stock freewheel is removed. It don't sound too bad for stock, but it don't have the best points of engagement, and these days everyone would like to have a nice sounding freewheel on their bike. One thing you're always gonna wanna do before you put on a freewheel is add some grease to those threads. Having grease on those threads will help you out in the future just in case you ever wanted to remove the freewheel. So now, new freewheel slides right on. Before I tighten the back wheels, I'm gonna be installing these Vans brake shoes brakes. Now guys, I have never ran these brakes before, so I'm gonna keep it real. If they suck, I'm gonna let y'all know they suck. Boom, listen that. I got the new brake pads installed. First impressions, the 2019 restored Big Ripper. First thing I want to test are the brakes. Now, just off of me hitting the brakes real quick, I can definitely tell the contact is definitely there. Like, I don't really feel too much of a lag. Now, the best test is gonna be wheeling and seeing where the limit at, where it slides. Oh, but they're touchy, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, valid. These brakes are valid, guys. Not gonna lie, I definitely underestimated the Vans Cool Stop brake shoes. They're definitely valid. Ooh. Get a little swerve cam. I'm gonna swerve my own camera, guys. Check this out. Don't swerve cars, but swerve your own objects if you got a cone or something. First impression, guys, the brakes are good. I like them. The bike's riding smooth. So guys, check out the parts down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing them for your bike. I would highly recommend just those simple upgrades. Freewheel, sprocket, and some new brakes on a Big Ripper. Perfect combo. I pretty much upgraded a few parts on this Big Ripper. The last finishing touch I'm gonna be adding is this adjustable Ride Out Supply seat clamp. Loosen this bad boy up. Pull that seat out. Open up my new Ride Out Supply adjustable seat clamp. Again, guys, links to all these parts are in the description below if you guys are interested. Guys, I just finished the rebuild / restoration on this 2019 SE Big Ripper. Loading the bike up, just finished riding with one Corey and some Philly guys out there. I'm about to head back to Ride Out Supply's crib as I will be getting ready to fly back to Florida. It's been so real. Shout out to LJ, shout out to Maddie from Ride Out Supply. You guys really showed love and hospitality with me being out there the past 3 weeks, and I'm glad I got to enjoy helping you guys out. If you guys are looking for parts or accessories for your bike, hit the link down in the description below. And guys, it's currently been a few days since the last clip you guys saw. Your boy Steez is back in Florida. I was out in Philly for like the past 3.5 weeks, and I had an absolute blast kicking it with LJ and Maddie from Ride Out Supply. That restoration build that I did is complete, guys. The bike is fully functional, fully rideable. We put a new freewheel, we put new brakes. We did a tire swap, we swapped the handlebars, and we gave that thing a whole fresh new sticker kit. This was pretty much like a video, like upgrades you should do to a Big Ripper, because I know how it is getting a Big Ripper stock. But hopefully I was able to help you guys out, and hopefully you guys take something from this video and do some upgrades to your Big Ripper. Also guys, my website is back up, shopsteezyfilms.com. If you guys are interested in purchasing a t-shirt supporting the channel, the link is down in the description below. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.